Guys, tapos yun talaga embarrassing moment ko noon, nakakaya talaga. So, kayo, that's it. Well done. Dance, dance. Chug, 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 chug. Pong palaka, palangoy, langoy, pata. It's coconut.
It's funny.
Why it's funny? It's a coconut, Christian.
Why? Eat it!
Hello mga migs! Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana ay okay yung araw natin for today, no? And today, guys, wala tayong ganap sa labas, no? Nandito lang tayo sa ating bahay. Kasi nga, medyo maulan, parang na, maambon sa labas na iwan na madilim na, parang hindi na summer, no? Parang, mag-autumn na talaga. Malapit na yung August, September. Yeah, September mag-autumn na. So, why are you shouting? Okay, mo dance, King, dance. Guys, King gonna dance. What you gonna dance then? Okay, so dance na. That's it. Well done. Dance, dance. Chug, 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 chug. Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy. That's King Moto. King Moto. Dance, jump, 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 and jump, jump. Jump. I said jump, jump, jump. Stop. Stop, please. Turn around. Jump and jump. Jump. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. And freeze. Oh dear. Colette. Colette. Oh, diba? Try again. Okay. Jump and jump. Jump and dance. Shake your bum, shake your body, bum, bum, jump, 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 and freeze. Close your teeth, eh? Close your teeth. You should close your teeth. Hi.
What's up, Mommy?
This is a chili con carne. I cooked some chili con carne, guys, and King loving it. Would you like to try?
No.
It's a bit spicy.
Hi,
Okay, you want to say hi to Auntie and Uncle.
fine.
So, guys, ngayon is very lazy day. Because it's cold na ngayon, guys, no? So, hindi na siguro kami lalabas ni King today. No, that's Mommy's battery, King. That's not for kids. Hindi mo na kami lalabas ni King, guys, no? Kasi nga, parang ang lamig sa labas. Alam mo yung parang nakakatamad lumabas, guys, no? Parang mas masarap pa dito sa loob ng bahay na lang magstay. Yeah, Mommy gonna open. What's inside again? Huh? What's inside again, Christian? What is that? Let me see.
Cool.
Oh, earrings.
Gold.
Gold earrings.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, guys, alam niyo ba, guys, marunong si King, magaling si King sumayaw. Come on, King. Sure. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday yet. Happy birthday. Okay. Ay, alam niyo ba, guys, marunong si King magkanta ng 10 palaka. Okay, King, 10 palaka, King. Come on, 10 palaka. 10. Come on. Shoot to titas. Shoot to titas and uncles. Come on. Come on, let's, kami guys, mag-10 palaka kami ni King. Tinuruan ko to si King, eh. Kami na, come on. Hindi ko din alam yung dito, eh. Okay, let's go. Let's go, 10 palaka. Come on. 10. Come on, here. Sit down there because we're gonna sing 10 palaka. Right. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 10 palaka, palangoy, langoy, pataas, pababa, paikot, ouch. Paikot-ikot. Ang sabi ng ina, matulog na kayo. Ang sagot ng palaka. Opo. Opo. Bait na bata. Pa. Laka. Palaka. Again. King, I will teach you some Tagalog words, okay? Okay.
Sama.
Like, mahal. 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 Again. Mahal. Palaka daw. Ina. Christian, puro na palaka lang dito sa isip mo. Okay, stop laughing now. Ina. Nangyari. Sampo. Sampung palaka. Ay, nako. Paano ko tayo maturuan? Okay, say sampo. Ina. Ina. Matulog. Matulog. Wala pulos si King. Again, okay. Let's sing bahay kubo na lang. Okay, ready, sing. The auntie is watching us, oh. Bahay. Bahay. Kubo. Kahit. Munti. Ang. Hala. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, it's bubble. Oh my God, it's change topic. Halaman doon. Diyos ko. It's so funny. It's not funny. I know. Dami siyang nakita, guys. Kasi nakikita yung sarili niya doon sa salamin. At yung TV at lahat-lahat na. Dami na siyang change topic. Say, salamat. No. It's gone. It's okay. No, it's okay because this is, we consider. They gonna see you at the back, Christian. Look. See, I told you.
Wait.
Oh dear. It's fine. Christian, we didn't have time. Come on. It's not poop. Punta kami ng shop kasi bibili kami ng mga prutas, guys. Naubusan na kami ng prutas ni King sa bahay. Pero tingnan mo naman yung energy. Yan, so prutas lang bibili namin doon for main talaga. Yan. Tapos sa ibang store na yung mga meat at mga veg. Pagod daw siya. Napagod daw siya. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Alright then. Are you ready now? Kasi come on, people, come on, someone's coming. They have to use this way. Come on. King, look, oh! 3 for 1 pound. Okay, mommy, get this one. Oh, tingnan mo, guys, ang mura ng ano dito, oh, ng strawberry. Ito yung sinasabi ko ng mura. King, come here. Ang mura ng strawberry. Christian! So, saan? Where is it? Yeah, chili. Meron silang ano. Ay, sorry, King. Sorry.
Oh, it's a book.
Mango.
Look at it. Look at it. Oh, what's up?
Coconut.
It's a
That's coconut.
It's funny.
Why it's funny? It's a coconut, Christian.
Wait, eat it. Wait, what's that, mommy?
This is coconut.
What's that?
Yeah, people use this for cooking.
What? What's that?
Coconut.
What's that? Wait. What's it? What's that?
Coconut, Chris.
I didn't know.
Okay, let's go get juice now. Juice now. Juice there. That way. Juice.
Wait.
That way. That. There.
That way.
Juice. So which one?
That one.
You want the chains? You don't want this? So kuha tayo nito para sa kanya.
That one.
That's heavy ba?
Heavy.
Very heavy this king. This one? Okay. Oof, heavy. Look. Right, what else? Wait, ipababa natin kasi. Yan si King ha. King, don't run. What else? Cookie.
No. They got one. Huh?
Apple, banana.
No.
There. Look, the banana is beautiful. Look. Balikan natin yung saging guys dito.
No.
Yung saging.
Wait.
Look, oh, so pretty.
What? Pretty.
Okay, yung saging nila. Mabuti na nantay ko.
Sweet banana.
Fresh na saging.
Fresh.
Fresh, King.
Wait.
Diba? Sarap na saging. Parang bigas, mabigat na.
Banana toy.
Kapag,
Wait, banana. Oh, wait.
Yeah, apple.
What's that, mommy?
which one?
What's that?
It's, what it's called? It's a Nicholas. What is that?
What's that?
I don't know, cactus
Let's find
fruit. It's like cactus fruit ata yan, King.
Satin?
Yeah, so, what is it?
Look at it.
Fruit of cactus, I think. So, this is it. And, what else? Grape. Kailangan talaga ng prutas. Ito, sarap nitong plum. Dito ko dito. Kasi mabasa na siya lang. Ano siguro? Kasi parang dry na siya. What? Yes? Baby, what's happening? Right. So are you finished? I think I'm done. Let's pay now. Have you found something? I said no toy. So dito na kami ni King sa bahay, guys. Bali, ito na yung pinamili kong mga prutas, no? Yan. Apple, at saka orange, at saka banana. And itong grapes, ito luma na to, no? At saka itong strawberry dito. Yan. Yung tatlong na strawberry dyan, yan. Yan ko na lang nilagay para at least matagal yung life span niya. So, yeah, talking about grocery, no? Meron akong i-share sa inyo na experience ko, embarrassing experience dito sa UK, guys. Bali, ano nga yun? Siguro mga ano lang, last year lang siya. Siguro mga last year. Tapos, ano guys, nag-shopping ako sa Asda. Ako lang mag-isa. Ay, kasama ko ba si King nun? Ayo, kasama ko si King nun, guys. Tapos, yung nag-shopping ako, guys. Kasama ko si King. That time na yun, si King parang, ano siya, yung talagang agitated si King ba? Yung iyak siya ng iyak, kahit nabigyan ko na siya ng bread, ng biscuit, pinigyan ko na siya ng lollipop, iyak ko na siya ng iyak. So, parang ano na ako ba? Parang nangarag na ako, guys, no? Tapos, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung nangyari? Kasi ang gamit ko noon is Scan and Go. Yun ang gamit ko sa Asda, Scan and Go. Kasi yun talaga ginagamit namin since, no? Para at least magpa-punch ka na lang, ganun. Magpa-punch ka na lang, guys. Tapos go. Go run na, no? So, ang nangyari noon, parang nag-line ako doon sa ano? Parang nag-line ako doon sa... Yan, nag-line ata. Oo, nag-line ako. Tapos, ano ba nangyari? Oo, na-scan ko din yung mga items ko. Lahat na-scan. Tapos, hindi ko ata na Apple Pay yung phone ko. Tapos, lumabas na ako ng Asda. At saka habang nag-aantay ako ng taxi that time, sinay ko yung ano ko, yung balance ko sa bangko. Tapos, ito na si King. Every time talaga nagsasalita tayo, guys, no? What's that, King? Hi? Yeah, so use this ladder. So you can see, guys. Because I'm telling the story. I'm telling the guy's story. I'm telling the guy's story. So yun nga, guys, ito si King gusto niya umakyat. So yun nga, guys. I'm telling the story, guys. Right. So yun nga, guys, yung diba lumabas na kami ni King, no? Siguro lumabas na kami ni King, nag-aantay na ako ng taxi, guys. Tapos sinig ko yung ano ko, yung account ko, kung magkano yung charge. Gusto ko i-double check. Gusto ko i-double check kung magkano yung natira, magkano yung balance, ganun. Tapos, ina-check ko, sabi ko, bakit walang bawas? Ganun pa rin yung balance ko, ganun. Tapos sinig ko, walang ASDA na minus ASDA or whatsoever, wala. So ngayon, sabi ko, hindi ako nakabayad, parang nabuhay yung isip ko na, hindi ako nakabayad, nakalabas na ako, pero bakit di ako hinabol? Ayun, tapos, bumalik kami agad sa loob ni King, tapos pumunta ako balik tayo, King, sa loob, sabi ko, tapos kailangan ko bayaran yung grocery, hindi ko pala na Apple Pay, kasi phone yung gamit ko Apple Pay, sabi ko, hindi ko pa mabayaran, mabasa tayo, sabi ko, okay, bumalik kami sa loob, pumunta na ako sa customer service, tapos sabi ko, hindi ata ako nagbayad, I'm so sorry. Tapos sabi nila, yes, hindi daw ako nagbayad. Ibig sabihin, alam nila, pero hindi ako nila hinabol, no? Yun ang experience ko. Tapos yun, nagpunta ako nagbayad sa customer service. Sabi ko, sorry ha, kasi sabi ko, kasi ako kay King ba nung time na yun, kasi iyak siya ng iyak ba, na parang gusto nang umuwi, gano'n, na nabuboring ito sa trolley, kasi wala akong paramdala, trolley lang. Tapos, yun guys, yun talaga yung embarrassing moment ko na ko dito sa UK, yung nahiya ako ba na ganun talaga, nahiya ako na hindi ako nakabayad. Ganun siya. Tapos, sorry guys ha, kasi si King, tapos yun talaga yung time na yun. Tapos, after nun guys, talagang double check ko talaga kung nakabayad ba ako, may resibo na ba ako. Because, that's for King, that's for Mommy. That's why we got nail cutter. So, which yours?
King.
Yeah, that's King.
Oh, it's a daddy. Wait, don't move.
Yeah, guys. Tapos yun talaga embarrassing moment ko noon. Nakakaya talaga. So, kayo pa guys, ano ba yung embarrassing moment nyo sa grocery? Ano yung napanagdaanan nyo sa grocery na talagang na-embarrass kayo sa sarili nyo? Comment down below guys, no? Para at least malaman ko ba kung ako lang ba yung may ganitong experience? Meron pa bang mas worse experience ko? Alam nyo ganun? Kasi alam nyo guys, how much yung total ng grocery ko? Siguro mga mga 95, 94, something mga ganun. Mga ganun ang presyo, 94 pounds to 94 or 95. So, kapag natin yun guys sa peso, let's say 94 na lang ha. Ito yun, 6,800, di ba? Mabuti talaga guys, ko talaga, na-check ko yung phone, otherwise talaga na-block na ako dun sa Asda guys. Nabantayan na ako ng bunga-bunga every time na balik ko sa shopping na yun, sa shopping store na yun guys. Talaga, yun talaga ang most embarrassing moment ko, just Yes? Don't right there. What are you doing? So, yun lang guys, no? For today's vlog natin, guys.
You're done.
Yummy, King. Guys, ang sarap ng strawberry nila, guys. Ba, ang tamis. Naubos na ni King. Malapit niya maubos yung isang plastic. Ang sarap kasi ang tamis niya. Nakatry ako. Siguro nakakain ako ng 5. Ang sarap. Pagkatapos ito guys, kasi nakakain na si King ng dinner, no? Maano na to, patulogin ko na to maya-maya. Nagbat na to kanina umaga eh. Sarap King, no, guys? More, no? Tomorrow again?
5 minutes. Move.
5 minutes? What 5 minutes?
I see, Mama.
for watching for our vlog and always supporting me and King for our small YouTube channel. Say bye-bye, King.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miga.
Bye-bye now.
Migu. Miga, Migu.
Hi.
Bye-bye, Auntie, Uncle.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Auntie.
Bye-bye, Auntie.
Uncle.
Bye-bye.